Hi, I'm Will Munley, and for my RSM 290 semester project, I did revenue generation for Georgia State University. The revenue generating ideas that I came up with were adding sports camps, selling parking spots individually for the upcoming 2021 football season, as well as sell student tickets and packages. For adding sports camps, they could have age groups ranging from elementary school to high school kids, and it could be a great recruiting tool. So the coaches don't have to go all over the country to recruit kids to try to come to Georgia State. The students could also stay overnight in the camp dorms, which could be the dormitories that are located on campus, and have meals provided to them from the dining halls that are located on campus. They could also have a concession stand where they can set up an account and make money, as well as buy snacks, drinks, and sometimes late night pizzas. For the selling parking spots individually, it could have a more organized way of parking, getting in the same spot every single game, at home at least, and they could go on sale over the summer and have a designated spot for fans to park their car and tailgate there before the game. And then for selling student tickets and packages, the packages could go in 1, 3, or 6, since there are only 6 home games in the 2021 season. For one game, you can pick whatever game you want to go to. For the 3 games, you can split it up, 2 in the beginning, 1 in the end, 1 in the beginning, 1 in the middle, 1 in the end, or all 3 at the beginning, all 3 in the end, or all 3 in the middle. And the final one would be all 6, which would give you access to all 6 home games. For the cost-saving ideas, the 3 that I came up with were to cut some travel for recruiting. Like I said, the sports camps could work as a recruiting tool for the coaches, so they don't have to go all the way out to California to try to recruit people recruit people to come to our school. You can see what talent the athletes around you have first. The second one would be reduce the spending of sporting equipment, uniforms, and supplies for football. Currently, football spends over $600,000 for equipment, uniforms, and supplies. You could cut that down by ordering uniforms every other year, or keeping the uniforms until the player graduates, unless it's not possible to use it again, and it's so beat up that it's almost in rags and it can't be repaired anymore. And since the football team has been somewhat subpar over the last 5 years, it would be illogical to actually try to improve them currently. You would have to make them perform better, and if they perform better, say get into a bowl game, secure a bowl game spot, they could earn some of that money back. And then the final one would be cutting some bonuses for coaches. You could make them incentives instead, and say if you win a certain amount of games, then you get a certain amount of money. If you make a conference championship, then you get a bonus, and then some of the holiday bonuses would be subtracted from that. So you would So you would take the holiday bonuses and put them toward the incentives instead of having the holiday bonuses in general. That was my semester project. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, comment them down below.